started first. Then okay. Good afternoon, Santosh ji.
Good afternoon, ma'am ji.
Good.
How are you?
And how are you? How your day is going on so far?
My day is going very great, and I am fine as well. And thank you
Mm-hmm.
for asking me, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So tell me something. Already the day is actually already been started, right? Right, and
Yeah,
it's I think half past one, or maybe yes, half past one. Right. So far, have you done any productive work?
yeah. Before starting up this day, I have shoot lot of videos for my YouTube channel, and when
Okay.
I am able to find out any type of person, one who is not ready taking session with me. So as a teacher, I know how to upload the video on YouTube channel. Now I give the class. You can see behind my board. And earlier I was giving class before start of the session. Why,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am? Sometimes we are alone and sometimes we are both. And I wanted to speak English, and second partner is not available. It's not essential that anytime when you have time in that particular time, second
Yes,
partner will be
yes,
yeah. So this
every
happens
day.
many times. Yeah.
You said that you have been waiting since long. I didn't get you actually.
As you since morning, I have mentioned a person that name is Motilal, and he only simply drop the message. So this is not a good way to behave
Ah,
in the group. Some person, simply drop the message, and after that, when we wanted to connect with them, anytime they don't respond the call. Like this,
mhm.
they behave. And time and tide wait for none, ma'am. I mean to say, time is
Yes,
very
actually,
precious.
the thing is that tomorrow never comes, first of all, right? Tomorrow never
Yeah.
comes, right? And you need to be very disciplined and organized person if you are getting a time from someone, because time is precious, right? And we have only 24 hours and 7 days only. And everybody is busy in their life, and everybody have a different priorities in their life which they need to fulfill, right? So actually maintain that dignity and keep that respect to everyone, to your co-learners, because we are in the same fraternity, I would say.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Right, ma'am. I think you always speak very well. I
Thank you
have
so much.
watched your several, yeah, I have watched your several videos, and I love the way you speak, and I love the way you express yourself with co-learners. So you are really true guider.
Thank you so much, but I didn't get any comment from your side. How do I know
uh,
that?
sev- Several time I comment, but
Uh-huh.
now next time I would like to comment a very
No
beautiful
worries, no
comment.
worries. No worries. That is your arena, right? It's just a joke of part. If you don't want to, don't. But if you are learning something, that is most important for me, right? Comment is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
important. The thing is that someone is motivating, someone is learning from my videos. That is accomplishment for me of a day, I would say. So, okay, Santosh ji. So, I want your introduction one more time, right?
Yeah, yeah. So shall I introduce myself? As you know, ma'am, my name is Satisfaction, and I am from UP District Lakhimpur. By profession, I am English teacher. English is being taught by me in a private school. When we talk about my hobbies, I have so many hobbies like learning new things every day, doing yoga, playing cricket, singing songs, listening to music, teaching others, reading different types of religious books, and guiding others as well. Apart from this, I am running a YouTube channel that name is English Spoken with Pleasure, where I upload English conversation videos so that people can learn this beautiful language very easily. And furthermore, I would like to tell you about my family. There are 20 members in my family, and my family,
Great, great, great.
yeah, my family is a large family, and I am very happy with my family.
Of course, it's very rare that we have, many members in our family, but you are blessed that you have a kind of organization, a kind of strength, right? Strength you have
Yeah,
in your home, at your home.
yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Okay, so let me just give you my introduction also, because you are going to upload that video for your YouTube channel. My name is Rekha Sharma. I'm connecting you from the city of Faridabad. And if you talk about my educational qualification, I am BCom, BA, and CTET qualified in English and Commerce. And beside that, I'm also running a YouTube channel named English with RVS, living with three beautiful soul in my family. I'm living in the nuclear farm family. That is all about me.
Yeah, nice to hear.
Okay. So, you want to ask something, or should I ask? Should I take the pleasure? Should I take the honor of asking question?
Yeah, now you have an honor to ask any different type of question, and I hope
Okay.
that I will give.
Of course you can. Of course. You mentioned that you have a hobbies of doing yoga and you fond of yoga, right?
Yeah,
Right. When it's come to the yoga, yoga is a different aspect, different technique to make yourself fit and flexible. Right. The another technique we have is gymming. People are crazy about to hit the gym, right? They are just running behind the gym. So according to you, what is better, yoga or hitting a gym? Gym is better. What is best?
yeah, yeah. Thanks, ma'am. I am getting every point. You mean to say that which is useful, whether gym or yoga? So
Uh-huh.
I would like to tell you that yoga is very beneficial because I have been doing yoga uh, for 10 years more than. Yeah,
Great.
and you can see I am healthy and happy because of
Yes,
yoga.
I can see that you are a
And
fit.
and apart from this, I would like to tell you that I have been teaching English since 2010. So
Mhm.
it's a very long time. And because of yoga, I am happy and healthy, as I mentioned earlier. And what is the best for each and everyone? Yoga, because you can perform yoga at
Mhm.
home anytime. And
Yes.
when for it in the for other when we talk about gym, when we go
Mhm.
to gym, so you will have to give the fixed time every day. You will have to select one particular time, and
Mhm.
most of the person facing time problem, time issues. So most of the ladies and housemaker as well, they don't have enough time. But yoga you can do yoga anytime in the morning, evening. So
Yes.
if you are not able to do yoga, you can go morning walk as well. So to
Yes.
keep ourselves happy and healthy, some
Mhm.
exercise is very essential.
Mhm.
Uh, it total depends on you whether you accept yoga or exercise or anything else. Because
Mhm.
if you want to uh, pass your life happy and healthy, and it is necessary for all human beings to be
Yes.
happy and healthy because most of the people work day and night without caring others, and
Mhm.
most of the homemakers ladies and most of the students, they are busy because life is, nowadays you can see the life is very busy, and
Mhm.
after getting tired we need to recharge again. When
Mhm.
so it's a very essential in my opinion when I get up early in the morning, and after getting fresh I go to morning walk, and there I run 2 or 3 kilometers as much as I have time, and then I start my yoga 40 minutes,
Mhm.
1 hour, and I
Okay.
yeah, every day. And to be honest, uh, in 10 years I haven't missed any single day without yoga.
That's great. Great. Astounded. Actually, I'm feeling very astounded to know that you never miss a day, single day.
Yeah, single day of yoga, and the benefit of this, my all body parts and organ as well, and
Mm.
is still active, and I feel a lot of happiness.
Yes,
And
great. Indeed.
there are many kinds of yoga, Swasana, Halasana, Chakrasana, and
Mhm.
Alom Bilom like this.
Mhm.
So we should perform every activity of yoga.
Yes, indeed. Yoga is a slow process. I would like to add on one point here. Yoga is a slow process, but is a long-lasting process. The
Long, long,
result
long
is
process.
actually incredible,
Yeah,
right?
incredible. Yeah, ma'am.
And
And
for yoga, you need not to follow any certain diet, right?
yeah,
Because
yeah,
when you are hitting the gym, then you need to follow a certain diet also.
yeah, that also. And
That's great. I'm
very,
also actually fond of yoga. I also do yoga at my home, but not for 20 or 40 minutes, 1 hour. I just go for the Surya Namaskar only because I feel that Surya Namaskar is a full package of yoga, right?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, yeah, right. And earlier this question was uh, asked by any ma'am, I don't know what is her name. And previous video I have mentioned 20 minutes non-stop about yoga, and still
Uh-huh.
you repeated the same question. So it's my,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay,
duty
let
to
me
tell
ask you
you.
another question. I'm not, yes, let me just ask you one question here also.
Yeah,
Yes, compromise.
yeah, समझौता, yeah, in Hindi.
Compromise.
yeah,
compromise,
yeah,
compromise, right? We are the human being, we always compromise on day to day life, right?
yeah.
You have also compromise, you have you maybe have, compromise in life also. I have also compromise in my life, right?
Every
So if
person,
I
yeah,
ask you, yes, if I ask you the question, compromise,
yeah,
what is the meaning for you here? How would you describe compromise?
yeah. Compromise means, in my own words, that if you are get want anything and you are not getting in real. Suppose that I wanted to take anything from other person and that person is not willing to give the same item. So we
Uh-huh.
should be compromised that okay, brother, I think you are not ready to hand over that property or any types of things. So
Mhm.
now I am compromising with that. And in it as a business, if you are starting it as a business, and so you have seen that my business is not going very well, you will have to compromise. We should be compromised with anything. There are how like a lot of things in our house where we should be compromised. Without
Mhm.
compromise, you will not,
You will not
satisfied.
survive in this world because
Yeah,
compromise
yeah,
is each and every state, right? So
yeah.
compromise is,
Every
kind of a process where we need to accept the thing unwillingly,
yeah.
right?
Animal. Yes,
हम चाहते नहीं उसे accept करना, but still we are accepting it
yes.
unwillingly,
Yeah,
right?
unwillingly.
हाँ,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is
Right, ma'am.
compromise. Yes, compromise.
And
So if I
most of the people I have seen that they don't have sense of compromise, and they
Mhm.
all time start fighting with other person and taking different types of action as well. So because we should compromise, we should be satisfied what we have, and we shouldn't run after the things which is not our.
Okay. So I now let me just ask you one question also. The happy, you must have that word, that happy. You always use that word happy, stay happy,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
I would like to definition of the happy. Yeah.
So happy,
Happiness is
what is the
happy.
mantra?
Yes, in one word. Yeah, in one word, I would say happiness is a result of good conduct. Happiness is the result of good conduct, and
Uh-huh.
how we can make ourselves happy. So we should be make ourselves happy when we satisfied with what we have, and we
Mm-hmm.
should be think positive. We should be do right things. We shouldn't disturb others as well, and we should be do everything which is very useful for our self as well as others. That's where you can keep yourself happy, healthy, and don't run after money, fame like this. But it is
Mm-hmm.
very essential. But most of the cases, it can be seen that most of the people running after money and without caring others. So happiness
Mm.
wants that you should be cool, calm in any
Okay.
circumstances, any time of the time. Time.
Okay. So if I, let me just give you one hypothetical situation here. If
Yeah,
you would get a chance, or if you get a power
yeah,
to eradicate something from this world,
yeah, yeah,
if you want to remove something from something, anything, the social evil, anything you want to remove from this world, right? If you get that
yeah.
power, then what would be that social evil according to you?
Yeah, yeah. Very nice question. Suppose if I got power to rule over
Mhm.
this world, and what I will do and how I will take decisions. Yeah. So in this case, I would like to take one decision. I would like to follow the rules of constitutions as well. Because the
Okay.
Dr. Bhimram Ambedkar is the
Mhm.
one person, one who written lot of rules for the welfare of others. So I directly choose the option because he is the one person uh, who gives everyone equality, and
Haha,
so
yes,
like this.
yes.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you want to say that you want to give the equality, the gift of
And like,
equality.
yes, for my better answer, you can read the constitution. My answer is hidden in the constitution. I would like to follow constitution for your answer because constitution is the best result, yeah, best answer for your question.
Okay, okay, that's great. And I think I don't have any question for you right now. I asked you a lot of questions,
Yeah,
and
yeah. I have asked right now in the now it's my turn. May I ask a question?
acha, you have
One
okay.
question. Ma'am, as you know that science and technology is growing day by day.
Mm-hmm.
So here question comes, do you know what is AI, artificial intelligence?
No, no, I don't know. I never heard that name because I've never gone
So
through it.
yeah.
But
So I
I'm
would like to
hearing
tell you
about
that
this word. Yes,
yeah, AI,
that.
artificial intelligence means, it is a science, and this science is growing day by day.
Mm-hmm.
And when we use this type of technology,
Uh-huh.
then we can make our life prosperous and healthy as well. Why? Because when we see the education system in
Mm-hmm.
present time, it is very good, but it is not deeply. Most of the people, school going children, although they
Mm-hmm.
fast in intermediate classes as well, but when we comes to talk with any types of particular topic, and they don't have any type of idea, talent as well. But his education is not skillful. Yeah, his education is not based on technical system.
Is there
So
any app?
artificial,
Is there any app?
yeah. It is a science. It is a process. Science making machine. Yeah, it is a
Uh,
science. Artificial intelligence is the science of making machine. And have you heard about ChatGPT?
yes, that word is actually popping nowadays.
Yeah, yeah. I would like
Is
to
that?
compare with Chat. Yeah, I would like to tell you on the behalf of my questions, when we
Mm-hmm.
compare Chat GPT with
Mm-hmm.
Google. So
Mm-hmm.
many times we Google, and many times we are not satisfied. For I would like to give you example. If you search any song, that Google please make me a song on News 24. At a time,
Mm-hmm.
if their song will be available on News 24, then Google can give you song. If we in when we talk about ChatGPT, if there is no any song available on News 24, if we write text in ChatGPT, he soon converts song.
Okay, I will check it. I will check it definitely.
Yeah,
After this call,
and
after this connecting, I will going to check it that what is that chat
and
GPT.
and because it is very beneficial than Google. Google, you can when we Google, he only
Mm-hmm.
recommend, he only suggest. Now, sometimes we are not satisfied with the Google, but
Mm-hmm.
ChatGPT, when we use this type of application, anything you can write, you will get satisfied answer, exact answer
Okay,
without thinking.
okay, it is work like a Google.
Yeah, better than Google. Google is
Better than
behind.
Google. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
definitely I'm going
In
to
one, yeah,
go
in one
challenge
second,
it.
within 1 second, you will find a lot of answer. One in one
Uh-huh.
second in detail.
Oh
So this
wow,
is the
that's
very,
incredible. I would say.
it is very,
Great.
yeah. 2 days before I have completed this topic to talk with anyone, but no one. I misfortunately
No, I'm
never find any
going to
person.
search it. I'm going to search it. What is chat GPT? GBT.
And yeah,
Chat
GPT.
Okay, I will search
Yeah.
it and let me just do my R&D on that. What is
So,
that?
ma'am, please ask me any question because your question is very best for me. When someone asks questions and I reply, I feel myself something fresh.
Okay, so let me ask you one more question here, right? Right.
Yeah,
Um, like we talk about the compromise, right?
yeah.
Right. So there is another word which is similar to compromise, and that word is
uh,
known adjustment.
Again, and
Mm.
now I would like to tell you the similar word which you mentioned, adjustment.
Adjustment.
Adjustment means that you are traveling by bus, and there
Mm-hmm.
are two, three, five members sitting
Uh-huh.
around you, and
Mm-hmm.
you wanted to have seat.
Uh-huh.
So you have one option whether you adjust or stand.
Good,
Yeah.
good, good. So, what is the outcome of here? I was asking you answer in a positive way.
Yeah.
What is positive in? What is actually positive in? क्या चीज पॉजिटिव है उसमें है?
Positive means it's total on of you
Hmm?
that first you should be positive for adjusting. Yeah, I mean to say if you
Yes,
are
yes,
not,
yes.
yeah, first
Yes,
you should be positive
that
before
depend on
adjusting.
person.
First you,
That
yeah,
that depend on person. If you wanted to
yeah,
give you the space to sit there, or if we say
Yeah.
no, I don't have any space to adjust you, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
if
yeah.
you get the space, if you get the space, that means you get something positive, positive answer you get actually. If you don't get the space, that means it is a negative side for you.
Nice, man, nice. Now you are very Yankee. Yankee, you are very Yankee. You
Yeah.
don't know what is a Yankee.
Yes, 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 I know, I know. Okay. Hope you like my questions. Hope you like my questions. And here I have, my basket is
I
almost empty.
yeah, I
Empty.
every time yeah, like your behaving and everything, because you are the first person with whom I am talking with softly, politely, systematically, logically. And before this session, I have attended hundreds of session, but
Mhm.
this type of behavior I haven't seen in my life, to be honest. Because
I believe,
India, yeah,
Santoshji, I believe in one thing. If you will get the respect, you always get the respect, right?
yeah.
If you will
Treat
give
as
the
well as you treated by them.
the way you will treat the other, you will get the same. Take care, keep practice, and bye bye.
Bye bye, bye bye.